What's going on, everybody? Got 3 more hanger boxes. That's, it's likely not going to be much in them. Bunch of base. We get 3 inserts, but hey, you never know. Maybe we'll get a Connor. But this is what they come like. Maybe we'll get a Dazzler, Logan Cooley, Fantilli. That'd be nice. Here we go. We got a die cut in here, and I can already see it. I can already see it. Here we go. Gotta get a good spot for this camera, to be honest with you. Alright. I actually don't have some of these base cards. We're going to fly through the base for the most part, unless I haven't seen them before, which I have not seen these. Tyson Forrester, Rookie Gems, Black Diamond, Silver Skates. Oh, let's go! Beehive Connor. Beehive Connor Bedard, baby. That is huge. The rest are going to be base. Oh, yes. I am pumped about this guy. There she blows. And wow, yeah, the rest are just gonna be base. I know I'm on a weird spot on the camera, but this is the best we got this evening. Wow, we got the Connor Rookie Beehive. Oh, that card is sweet. Sweet, sweet, sweet. I'm going to pop this guy back up. Alright, so yeah, anyways. You get 3 inserts in these hanger boxes, and the rest are base. And if you go to Walmart, they're $14.97. I think most other places they're much more. Oh, I thought we had something. I just opened it funny. Here we go. Base me all day. I'm kind of excited about these base because I don't have most of these ones. I've opened a few of these. Look at that, another Rookie Gems. Owen Beck, we'll take it. Another Silver Skates. Everybody says this on the videos, but these are actually really hard to read. We got Trevor, Zegras, and a Beehive of Rasmus Dahlin. Okay, so that one, nothing crazy. I'm wondering though. I don't think I've gotten an Ovechkin out of here. He must not be on the checklist? Or am I crazy? But I'm pretty sure I've not seen a base Ovechkin. Alright, last one. There's no way we get... Well, I bet we'll do a Dazzler in this one. We got the same inserts in 2. I bet we get a Dazzler, a Cooley. I mean, if we can get another Bedard, who's only in the inserts on this one, that would be fun. And here we go, the last one. We got another. It's a die cut. You probably can't see it on the video, but base it up right here. I love that Patrick Kane card. That is a fun looking card. Ooh, I don't have that one. Matt Duchene. And here we go. We're getting close. What's in the middle? We got a Brock, a Boza. What do we got? This one feels thick, but we're good. Brock Bozer, Hall of You, Young Guns, This one's stuck of Dazzlers. There it is. Jonathan Marchessault. Orange Dazzlers. And Yaniv Peretz. Young Guns, and we just got our base. See if there's anything. There he is. Look at that. Alex Ovechkin. Finally got him. I like that Alex Ovechkin card. Alright. Well, I got Ovechkin. Super happy about. Here's our inserts. Once again, you get 3 inserts in the hangers. We got a Beehive Rookie Gem, Silver Skates, another Rookie Gems Black Diamond, and here it is. Connor Bedard Rookie Beehive, baby. Alright, thanks for watching. See y'all later.